Hey guys, welcome to Root Expert. Today I will share with you how to run multiple accounts of the same app on your Android device. So let's start. To use multiple accounts of same app, you will need a application named Parallel Space. So first of all, we go to Play Store and then search by typing Parallel Space. Then install the Parallel Space multiple accounts. I have already installed the application. After installing the application, open that. Click on Start button now. After clicking on Start button, you will see a grid with some default app. If you want to use the marked applications multiple accounts, just click on Add to Parallel Space button. If you don't want to use these multiple accounts, just unmark them. I don't use UC browser multiple application. YouTube, Gmail. Just I want to use multiple accounts of Messenger and Chrome. So now I click on Add to Parallel Space button. Now I can use Messenger and Chrome and Facebook multiple accounts. If you want to add more application, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the page and you will see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Just select the one you wish to add and then let the application to do its magic. Now click on Add to Parallel Space button. The app will be added to the parallel space and you will be able to configure as a newly installed app. There is no limitation of the number of applications you can run in parallel space. Now you can use Messenger, Chrome, Facebook, YouTube, Gmail, Facebook Lite, multiple accounts. So enjoy the parallel space application. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.